So this lesson covers interrogative and reflexive pronouns, and these are very different types of pronouns, but I just wanted to roll them together into this short lesson. Right, so interrogative pronouns, right? Interrogative pronouns take the place of nouns in questions, right? An interrogative has the same root word as interrogate, right? To ask questions. Right? We interrogate prisoners, right? Where were you? Therefore, you can remember interrogative pronouns because they interrogate, they ask questions. Right? And the list of interrogative pronouns is very short, right? Who or whom, whose, what or which, right? Some of the other kind of words that we use in like 6W questions are more like adverbs. So you're careful, right? Many of these words can also function as subordinating conjunctions in relative pronouns, and we're going to look at those in an upcoming lesson. I know you get tired of me saying that all the time, but you know, grammar is kind of a complete set of knowledge, and we have to start somewhere. So you're constantly going back and forth here. But remember, the word has to appear in an interrogative sentence, which is just a fancy way of saying it's a question. So in order for it to be an interrogative pronoun, there must be a question mark at the end of that sentence. Right? Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns function as direct objects when the subject and the direct object or indirect object are the same person or thing. And that's a mouthful, but when we look at some examples here in a moment, I think this will be much clearer. And if you need to pause me to write that down, go ahead. Right? These are also used to add emphasis. And they're easily recognizable because they end in self or selves, and that's the key here. They're often going to look like a simple personal pronoun plus self or selves, right? And so they're pretty easy to spot, even though all this stuff up here is, you know, really big brain grammar stuff. You know, this is the key down here. So let's look at some examples, right? In the following sentences, the reflexive pronouns are functioning as direct or indirect objects, or they're used to add emphasis, right? So I bought myself a candy bar. I bought a candy bar for myself. So this interrogative pronoun here refers back to I, right? Mr. Brayman didn't buy me a candy bar, right? David didn't buy me a candy bar. I bought myself one, right? She hit herself, right? This is the direct object here. It's who or what she's hitting. Okay, but she's the one doing it, right? Because it would either be she hit her, which we would assume to be someone else. Like she hit Sally. It's like, no, Mary hit Mary, right? They did the work themselves. Again, this is for themselves or by themselves. And this refers back to they. That one would even be stranger. It's like they did the work they. They did the work they. No, they did the work themselves, right? And the key here is them, right? It's not their selves or they selves, right? It's themselves. And so that's it. Thanks for watching.